When we view Earth from space, it is apparent that our planet is much more than rock and soil. In this view of Earth from the Moon, the blue of the oceans and the swirling cloud patterns suspended above the surface are most conspicuous. In this much closer view, Africa is seen separating the Indian and Atlantic Oceans, while bands and swirls of clouds bring rains to the tropics and the middle latitudes. In addition, we can see the arid Arabian Peninsula, the narrow Red Sea, the large island known as Madagascar, and the bright white of Antarctica's ice sheet. From this vantage point in space, we can appreciate why Earth's physical environment is traditionally divided into three major parts. The three parts of Earth's physical environment constantly interact. In this example, ocean waves, created by the wind, crash against the shore. In addition, the biosphere, which is the totality of all plant and animal life on our planet, is an equally integral part of Earth. The biosphere is concentrated near Earth's surface in a zone that extends from the ocean floor upward for several kilometers into the atmosphere. The dominant feature of the hydrosphere is the global ocean. Oceans blanket nearly 71% of Earth's surface and account for more than 97% of Earth's water. The hydrosphere also includes the fresh water found underground and in streams, lakes, and glaciers. Although these sources represent a tiny fraction of Earth's water, they all have important geological roles. Earth is surrounded by a thin gaseous layer called the atmosphere. Variations in its behavior produce weather events and climate patterns. 1/2 of the atmosphere lies below an altitude of 5.6 kilometers, and 90% lies below about 16 kilometers. When compared with the size of the solid Earth, with its radius of 6,400 kilometers, the envelope of air surrounding our planet is very shallow. If, like the Moon, Earth had no atmosphere, Earth's surface might resemble this lunar scene. The plants and animals of the biosphere are strongly influenced by the physical environment. For example, climate strongly influences the nature of plant life in a region. The reverse is also true. The biosphere strongly influences the physical environment. For example, plants and animals can affect weathering processes and soil formation.